friends, welcome back. My name is Ariel and here is my dog LiangLiang. I recently quit my tech corporate job to start traveling out of my camper van. Today is day 2 of our van life camping by Lake Del Valle in Northern California. In this video, we'll continue to enjoy the serenity by the lake with a slow morning coffee, cook lunch in the van, and kayaking with my friends and my husband. Let's begin. Good morning, guys. The sun is getting brighter over here. In my bed area, it's actually still quite dark because I have good window covers. But yeah, I think I want to get up. It's 8:30. I need to take LiangLiang to go pee. We're going on our morning walk. The same spot that we were walking last night. Looks so lively in the morning. There's our otter. We're rolling back to our camp spot. I'm going to freshen up, get changed, make some coffee, breakfast, and then maybe we drive over to the lake. Well, hi dears. Are you a family? It looks like someone's leading the way. Oh, maybe a mom, a dad, and then everybody else is their kid? So cute. This is just passing by in front of my van. This is just passing by. I'm also running to the bottom of this coffee. This is a coffee I got from Big Island. I love it. I'm contemplating to buy more. This is my bakery for the morning. I got 2 of these. And here is our view. There's people setting up tents to do day camping here by the lake. We're gonna drive over to the marina area to see if we can find a spot that's closer to the water and more level. Daniel really wants to split the spot with me. I need to figure out if I can buy something that extend my seat so LiangLiang have more place to sit. Large spot. Oh, here's LiangLiang still holding his seat strong. And here is our view to the front. This side is a little better. There's a bunch of boats just docked there. I mean, for a parking lot, this view for lunch is not bad. I'm gonna be cooking lunch in my usual here section. Here is what we got for lunch. This is the accent I get when I'm just watching Bridgerton too much. Okay, so I cut off some sausage, jalapeno, and onion from home, and kimchi. We're gonna stir fry in the pot. And then I got topokki rice cake. It's gonna be a lot of calorie, but hopefully I can burn it off by kayaking later. I love that on a crowded day like this, in a nice view parking lot, I get to just have my privacy and enjoy cooking a lovely meal and don't have to worry about people seeing me. But I can also enjoy the nice view just like they do. All the sauce is ready. Let's get cooking. Wow, jalapeno burning. I love jalapeno smell. It already smells so good. While that's going, I'm going to heat this up. Let's see how to make this tteokbokki. 440 calorie, okay.
Put the rice cake and sauce in the cup. Pour the hot water to inner line microwave for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, depends on your microwave. Put powder packet and serve.
Sounds pretty easy, just like an instant noodle.
Powder, spicy sauce. They even give me a fork and rice cake.
It smells so good in the van right now. I'm gonna get this heated up. Let's do 2 minutes to start. We have a whole kitchen going. Soy sauce, sugar. This is a salt I collected from In-N-Out. Get the sauce all mixed together. I think this is cooked. Rice cake is warmed up. I already drained the excess hot water, and now we're just going to put the sauce packet. Wow, smells so good. I've had tteokbokki instant noodle multiple times, but I never had the rice cake one. Let me have a taste test. Wow. Wow. It's so spicy. Why did I put the whole packet? I'm too excited, I wasn't thinking. It's okay. We have milk. Milk substitute. Okay, let's have the first bite of this cooked meal. I'm surprised that van cooking setup can make something so tasty. This is good. I consider myself have a pretty high tolerance for spice. But if you're getting this one, whether it's the rice cake or the noodle, I suggest don't put the entire pack of the hot sauce in there. To be honest with you guys, I always get like half cooked or packaged food because I thought it would be too hard to cook in the van to get something very tasty. But this time, this dish, I mean, besides that I pre-cut it at home, everything is not processed, cooked together. It tastes awesome. I moved you to a better view. Ooh, suddenly feels better. Nian, did you Jenny? Guess what this is? It's an inflating kayak. First time. There's an electric pump and my husband is trying to inflate it. We're able to inflate it with the manual inflation pump. The electric one didn't work for some reason. We'll figure it out later. Let's go enjoy kayaking first. 好像风景非常优美。Hey yo, last you saw me, I was kayaking with my friend Lisa. I'm already back home and this is the second day. So here I am, just recording the ending. The kayak was very comfortable. It's my first time using it. I did not deflate it yesterday after using it because it's too much work. It was just the right length to fit inside my van on my bed. I carry it home in my van and now it's in my backyard. It's already dried. I think I'm gonna take it to another lake to use it in a week or so. So I'm just gonna leave it inflated. If you enjoyed this video, welcome to join our community and hit that subscribe and share with a friend. Take care and I'll see you next Friday at 8 a.m. Pacific. I sound like a PM again, sorry. I just do this a lot because I used to work as a program manager. I'll see you next Friday. Good day. Bye everyone. 你把我位置完全占了。去。Yes, we share the space. You don't take all the space. Trying to find a good thumbnail picture with this dude. How about this?